In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a large amount of content from your Google Drive with ease and efficiency. Managing and sharing files on Google Drive can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially when you want to share multiple files at once. Unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't provide the option to share your entire My Drive folder directly. However, I have a simple and effective workaround for you. We'll be creating a new folder that we can use to consolidate and share your desired files. This method is straightforward and ensures that you have full control over what you share and who you share it with. Let's begin by opening Google Drive. Once you're in, you'll need to create a new top-level folder. You can do this by clicking the +A icon in the upper left corner. This icon opens up the new menu where you'll choose New Folder. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to name your folder. You might want to call it something intuitive like Shared Drive or All Files, so you can easily remember what it's for. Naming your folder thoughtfully can help keep everything organized, especially if you plan on using this folder for multiple purposes or long-term sharing. With the new folder created, the next step is to move all the files you intend to share into it. Begin by navigating back to your main Google Drive page, where all your files and folders are located under My Drive. Select all the files you wish to include in the shared folder. You can do this by clicking on each file while holding down the Ctrl key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac. Once you've selected everything, right-click on the highlighted area to bring up a menu. From this menu, select Move To. A window will prompt you to choose the destination for these files. Here, you'll navigate to the new folder you created and click Move. This will transfer all the selected files into your newly designated shared folder. Now that everything you want to share is neatly organized in one place, it's time to share the folder with others. Head over to your Google Drive and find the new folder. Right-click on it to bring up the option menu again. This time, select Share. This will open up a dialog box where you'll enter the email address of the person you want to share the folder with. Enter their email, and just below that, you'll notice a field where you can choose their access level. If you want them to have full access and editing capabilities, select Editor. This allows them to not only view and download files, but also to add or modify documents as needed. Once everything looks good, click Send to share the folder. And that's it. With these steps, you've efficiently shared a large amount of content on Google Drive without compromising security or control over your files. This method provides flexibility and ensures that you and your collaborators can access everything easily. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!